Every day, millions of people work in demanding environments with oils, solvents and other chemical mixtures. Substances that can cause skin irritation or even more harmful effects with repeated long-term exposure. To protect workers like these, Ansell developed a technology that provides superior splash protection without sacrificing comfort or dexterity. TNT Chemical Splash Resistance Technology. This unique technology actively resists chemical permeation against a broad range of common chemicals, thanks to a comfortable proprietary nitrile formulation from Ansell. As a result, hand protection solutions made with TNT technology often demonstrate better chemical splash resistance when compared to gloves made with standard nitrile material formulations. To help keep every task and every shift safe and productive for workers in laboratories, automotive manufacturing plants, food processing facilities and other environments. For superior splash resistance against a wide range of chemicals and durable protection with a soft, comfortable feel, choose hand protection solutions made with Ansell TNT Chemical Splash Resistance Technology.